Hello guys, Cogbill here with Paper Made Prettier. We're going to make a quick and gorgeous card with our new bundle called Banner Sayings. So I hope you have been able to check out the online exclusives area of our online store at Stampin' Up. It is fabulous. There is so much to see there. So if you're not shopping in that little area of our website that says online exclusives, you're missing out. Stampin' Up has recently created a resource for us that shows kind of in a catalog form. We love a catalog. We love our paper. All of the new items. These were just released on November 4th. Yesterday? Yes. So they're brand new for customers. I've been able to play with them for the last month because I am a demonstrator. Anyone that's a demonstrator, happy shopper, buying on their own, has that benefit of exclusively being able to order things ahead of time. So we're going to make this really cute card with our Banner Sayings bundle. Again, my name is Cogbill. My business is Paper Made Prettier. Make sure and stay to the end because I have a whole bag. Well, where did I put them? Oh my goodness. I have a whole slew of, here, online exclusive swaps to show you, including many more projects using this Brushed with Beauty suite, which is where this paper comes from. Anyway, I would love if you're watching me on YouTube, like my videos, subscribe so you won't miss another video. We're making cards every Wednesday at 1 Central, so you don't want to miss a single one. Last week we had card class, so make sure and rewind and watch that if you missed it. Okay, so if you are new to card making, we've got a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. This is just a bit bigger than 3 1/2 and 4 3/4. And this color, this is Mossy Meadow. This color I've got in my hand is called Basic Beige, and I love it. It's like this card I actually made with Very Vanilla, and I love it too, but I just wanted to try it with Basic Beige. So that's what we're doing. All right, and it's featuring, in my opinion, besides the stamp set, it's really featuring this gorgeous designer paper. Now, this is new in the online exclusives. I'll tell you, it's part of this suite called Brushed with Beauty. You can mark my words, this suite is going to sell out. It is stunning. I'll show you the paper up close. So we have these wonderful hand-brushed florals. There's three sheets that are like this. I've used the whole sheet that looks like this for swaps. And then you can see there's a little brushed background on the back of some of them. So we have a petal pink, a coral, and a mossy meadow. So those in and of themselves are gorgeous. This reminds me of magnolias, even though I think it's probably dogwoods. But either way, beautiful botanicals, which we always love. They're such a hit. And before I forget to tell you, Stampin' Up has created an online class with the Brushed with Beauty suite, which means that it's the last time they did an online class with the suite sold out quickly. So I'm just telling you, if you have any interest in this paper, which you should, buy it now. Don't wait. Okay. So, oh, and look at that. It's also very cute pattern. So we're going to pop this little piece of designer paper down just sort of as a backdrop to what we're going to do next, okay? And so, actually, I think, yeah, I think I cut that piece wrong and I can't unsee it. Let's try this. I think that was a scrap that was hanging out on my desk, rather than the actual layer. Yes, this looks better. It's just a hint of that cardstock underneath it, and I love that. It kind of, to me, frames it in a way that makes it look as artistic as it actually is. All right, so we're popping that little layer down to our Mossy Meadow. Aren't those colors gorgeous? Petal Pink, Darling Duckling, Mossy Meadow, Calypso Coral, Lost Lagoon. Yeah, I'm sure there's more, but those are the main ones that pop out to me. All right, so now I've punched a 2-inch circle with my 2-inch circle punch. Easy peasy. And now what we're going to do is use our newest bundle. So this bundle is also in the online exclusives, and it's called Banner Sayings. Now, I can tell you right now, as soon as I saw a banner punch, my head exploded. I didn't care what stamp set came with it. I was getting that punch. But then I love the stamp set as well. It's very versatile. We have birthdays. We have celebrations like congrats. And then we have thank yous. Hello, Barb. So good to see you. And then thinking of you. So maybe I've already said that. But so lots of versatility and so cute little sentiments. And they fit exactly in this banner punch. So how many banners have you cut with your trimmer and then had to cut these little edges? No more. Okay, you can just punch it out and move on. Now, I will tell you, I tried at first to just cut a little strip of paper so that I wouldn't waste cardstock. Cardstock's not that expensive, but it really is better for the punch if you punch all 3 at once. So punch them and save them. What I would do is just in this new stamp packaging, I would just slide them in the back here and just have those for a later card. All right, but it messes with the punch if you don't punch all 3 at the same time. I hope that makes sense. So it just gets it kind of gunky. All right, so we're going to punch 3 of the basic beige and then 3 of the petal pink little banners. And so we're going to use this banner, and this banner. Okay? Boom, boom, boom. And we're going to save these for another card. You could honestly just make this card again and be ready. All right. This card comes together so fast. It's amazing. Hello, Gail. Great to see you. Thank you. Oh, I know. There are so many cute sets. So I'm going to make this card be a sympathy card, or, you know, thinking of you. We've got sending my love, I'm here for you, consider yourself hugged. So let's start with sending my love up here in the top. I'm here for you. I'm putting the 2 cursive sentiments like on the top and bottom, and then I'm sandwiching them between this like more typeset piece. Consider yourself hugged. So isn't that just precious? So we've gone from celebration to thinking of you with one bundle, which we always love, something that's versatile. All right, so now we're going to pop this up with our dimensionals. This one is going to go in the center. And then I will go ahead and put my dimensional on here. I'm down to the bottom of this strip of dimensionals, so I'm using the edges. Always use the edges. Don't throw them away, people. And then I'm going to kind of offset this a little bit, and then I'm going to offset this a little bit. Doesn't have to be straight. I did that on purpose. And then I've already tied a little natural twine. I can't remember what this is called. Linen thread. Whew. And we're going to pop that on a glue dot, and then that's just going to get shifted right under here. Okay. Oh, I left the glue dot on my piece of paper here. Let's try that again. Okay, so that just tucks under there like preciousness and gives it just a little visual interest. We always love adding a little action to our card. And then the final thing that we're going to add are these embellishments that are also part of the Brushed with Beauty Suite. I predict these will sell out quickly too. They're so pretty. They're called Pearls of Beauty. And the colors are I would say white. This would go with Calypso Coral Timid Tiger, and this is more of a crumb cake basic beige. So I'm going to just decide what color. I'm going to go with this coral color here. And I'm going to put my 3 little embellishments just for happiness. And isn't that gorgeous? Now, I'm going to pop this inside. Now I remember that's what that piece was. It was an inside piece because you can't really write on Mossy Meadow. All right, so you decide if you prefer the ivory or the Very Vanilla or the basic beige. I'm curious, Barb and Gail, if you like Very Vanilla or if you like basic beige here. I know what I like, but I'm gonna let you guys decide first. Okay, so as I said, don't forget about the Brush with Beauty virtual class, and then when you order $50 or more from me before next Monday, today's November 5th, then you'll get 10 completed cards from me. So that's a little special I'm running just this week as a thank you to my customers. Now, I have gobs of swaps that I have received in the mail. So I signed up for an online exclusive swap because I want my customers to be able to see, and I want to see myself, all the beautiful things from the online exclusives. This is called Pop-Up Petals Bundle, these little things, and you can see that brushed with beauty paper. We have this bundle called Cake Day, and it makes this cutest little cake. Barb says both, Gail says vanilla. I actually agree with you, Gail, and we'll go with Barb's both. I like the vanilla better. I honestly didn't think I would, but I do. Now, these are brushed with beauty samples. Are they not stunning? I mean, honestly, do you need another floral? Yes, you do. And then this set is called Swirled Designs. It's got some cool little fanciness. And then we have this set that's called Friendly Foliage. And keep watching my videos next week and the following week because I'm getting more and more of these swaps in the mail, and you'll want to make sure and not miss one. So you can see how gorgeous that brushed with beauty paper is. You can make so many cards with one pack of designer paper when you kind of mix and match. Yeah, vanilla is always good, Barb. I agree. It kind of goes with everything. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching me, and we will see you next week. Bye.